Just want to do a quick unboxing for you of these vacuum seal bags. Quick look. So this is how they come. Here's the top. So it comes with a mini pump here. So we take that out of the bag for you real quick. So drawstring bag. USB fittings. Attachments. So USB there. And here's the actual pump here. So we'll look at that a little bit more in a second. And then I'll take the bags out of the box. One. So you can see here's all the bags that it comes with. And I'll take one of these out real quick. I like that they're all individually sealed. I'm going to open that up for you. Both sides. And then, of course, it has the vacuum seal cap here. So take that off. And then you have the mini pump that it comes with. That fits in there tight so you get a good seal. Strong zipper that I just zipped, and then put your stuff in and use your pump, seal it up.